In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume on Upwork. This process is a simple yet essential step in building your profile and making it appealing to potential clients. Let's dive in and walk through each step so you can confidently showcase your skills and experience. First, head over to the Upwork homepage. You'll need to be logged into your account to proceed. Once you're on the homepage, take your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture or a placeholder icon if you haven't set one yet. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, click on Your Profile. This will take you to your main profile dashboard where you can manage and update various aspects of your Upwork presence. Here you'll want to locate the section called Portfolio. It's an important part of your profile where you can display your previous work and accomplishments. Look for a plus sign, typically located next to the Portfolio section. Clicking on this symbol will enable you to start adding new projects to your portfolio. Begin by entering a project title. This is where you give your project a catchy name or something descriptive that encapsulates the essence of what the project is about. Next, you'll see an option to type in your role. This is optional, but if relevant, you can specify your contribution or the capacity in which you worked on the project. Following this, in the project description area, provide a detailed explanation of the project. Describe what you do, your responsibilities, and perhaps some outcomes or achievements related to the project. After that, move on to the next field where you can list the skills and deliverables associated with the project. This is beneficial as it gives potential clients a clear understanding of your capabilities and what they can expect if they hire you. To add your resume, look for a prompt that says Add PDF Files. Clicking this option will allow you to upload a PDF version of your resume directly to the project listing. Ensure that your resume file is updated and formatted correctly so that it reflects your skills and experience well. Once you've uploaded your resume, proceed by clicking Next Preview to review all the information you've entered up until this point. Here, you can make edits or ensure everything displays as you intended. The next step involves clicking on Next Thumbnail. You even have the option to add a custom thumbnail to visually represent your project better. Finally, once you're satisfied with your project entry, click Publish to make it live on your portfolio. Completing this process by clicking Done ensures all your changes are saved and displayed. And there you have it. Your resume, along with details about your past projects and skills, is now beautifully showcased on your Upwork profile, ready to attract the attention of prospective clients.